Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the NET SDK and Visual Studio Code are installed. This is essential because VSCode uses the SDK to compile and run C#. Once done, install the C# extension, OmniSharp, in VSCode so the editor understands C# code. Next, create a new folder, open it in VSCode, open the integrated terminal, and run .NET New Console to generate a minimal program. CS. This gets you immediately to code, without wasting time on extra settings. You now edit program. CS and implement the logic you want. Keep using the Problems panel to catch syntax or type errors as you type. To check your code, run .NET Run in the terminal. That compiles and executes quickly so you can iterate. When you need to inspect behavior, set breakpoints in the gutter and press F5 to launch the debugger. VSCode generates launch. JSON for NET Core automatically. This lets you step through code, inspect variables, and understand what the program is doing and why. You finish by running final tests with .NET Run or publish a release build using .NET Publish when you're ready to deploy. Make life easier by adding tasks. JSON for a one-key build or custom commands so you don't type long commands repeatedly. If something breaks, for example, OmniSharp won't start or the debugger won't attach, restart VSCode first, then confirm .NET version works in the integrated terminal. Often fixing path or reinstalling the SDK resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.